Hello and welcome back to the CodeMaven channel. In this video, I was trying to repeat what I did earlier in the previous video, namely adding continuous integration to an open source Python project. But it ended up doing something smaller because there was an issue with the package that I actually encountered. So what did I do? I went to the pydigger.com website that I maintain, where I collect information about Python projects, and specifically I clicked on the stats link, where I have various, where you can find various statistics. One of the interesting things that I'm looking at often now is the has GitHub but no CI entries. So these are Python projects from PyPI that have a link to their GitHub project, GitHub repository, but in the GitHub repository I couldn't find the script that collecting the data, couldn't find any continuous integration system setup. So I clicked through this one, and here I went through a couple of the projects, but I ended up the one that, oops, it's not even here anymore. Since I looked at it, so I was looking for a project that was interesting, and I looked at this one. I found this glob-linters. Okay, so I click on this one just to get to the page about this project, and then I wanted to go to this the Git repository of this. So there is a link that was extracted from the JSON file that comes with the project. It was extracted from there. The Git repository, and this is the link. So I clicked on it, and I get 404 not found. Of course, that's not a good thing. Obviously, there is some mistake. So let's try to find where the actual repository is, and let's try to fix this. So I take the name glob_linters, and I thought, okay, I'm going to search for this because maybe it's not there. And what I found with the search, that there is this repository, but as you can see, instead of glob_linters, the repository name is actually glob-linters, but it's from the same username, Boentan. Okay, so it's the same username as here, but instead of underscore that was written in the JSON file, instead of that, it actually is a dash in the repository name. So we go to the repository, and inside the repository, there are a couple of places where people store this information. One can be in the setup CFG, but I encountered it in the setup Py. So here, if I look for the glob_linter, okay, there is a couple of searches, and here it is. Okay, so this is the URL that is erroneous because it has an underscore in it, while the actual URL has a dash. So that's what we are going to fix now. And I don't even need to clone it to my computer or anything. I can just go ahead and click on the edit button here. And inside there, just fix this. And type in something, so fix URL to repository, and that's it. That's basically the change that I did. Now I'm going to create a pull request from this, and that's it. I'm going to come back to this project then later on and take a look at it, if I can add, if it has tests, and if I can run them. That's the usual things, and to see if I can add continuous integration to this project. But even if not, hopefully this little fix already helps someone out there who is looking for the repository of this project. So thank you for watching. If you like the video, then please click on the like and follow the channel, so you will get alerted when I upload a new video of this, and support my efforts. So thank you very much for watching.